If you're brand new to Pilates, it's the same thing as someone who trains as an elite athlete. You can only maintain the work for a certain amount of time if you limit your training. The thing at the beginning when you start your practice, what your body knows more is how your body has been functioning. So it is important to have regular input from either the equipment, which I find the equipment is talkative, or with an instructor that understands the system, that can actually keep feeding you the information by directing you what exercise is good for you at this time. So if you do it once a week, you have 6 days to return to your habits. It's crucial at the beginning to invest in a practice at least to a minimum of twice a week. If you can only afford to do it once a week, you have to be willing to do the extra homework that your instructor will give you and say, this is your homework, you have to do it.